no sort of corruption, even within the ranks of the board. What are you guys doing to ensure that
Okay, I was brought into the farm last year from the 1st of June 2023 as an executive farm manager to run the day-to-day activities of the farm. So them bringing me here is to make this farm productive and that it survives. That's basically the moral of everything. I was brought in here to rescue the farm. There were a lot of challenges that I came across when I got here. There was a mix-up of everything. There were animals that were not in good condition and all those things. And yeah, there was a mix-up of everything, management, everything. So I had to start from scratch, try and sort out animals, group them into their groups, make sure that animals are pregnant, try and try and do a record-keeping system for the farm, and try and minimize all the diseases that were normally affecting cows and cows. Try to reduce the mortality because animals were dying. So yeah, so there was a lot, but with time, everything, I think it has went down. And also the other thing, that the production was low. So I had to try by all means that I turned the tables as quick as possible. When I got here, they were doing 1,000 liters, 1,002 liters a day. Now we are currently doing 4,000 liters a day. Now we've got 202 cows that we are milking. It will take time because there's still animals that are old, animals that don't have, animals that are old that need to be culled and all those kind of factors. So the moment we start having right animals for this farm, then that's when the farm will start generating money and there will be profit. Yes, I came in here last year, June. For the first time, the beneficiaries have benefited something. We managed to give them each and every one that meal voucher of certain amount, and we also made pikes of meat, but it was for the first time. So meaning here this year, I've got the whole year to try and make that there's a certain percentage that they must get. But that the board will just decide on what's going to happen based on the business plan and everything. You see, I trust myself and I know I can do this thing work. There are fellow black farmers, young black farmers that have got the knowledge and capacity of doing quite good. Because of so and so, they are being suppressed. And me coming here, I saw an opportunity of showing the whole nation, or not only which color can do the right thing. Also, as black, we are now. We have arrived to show that we can do it. Hence, I'm saying when I got here, things were tough, but day to day we are improving and we are going somewhere.